Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a music bot to your Discord server. All right, let's begin. First, open your Discord server and click on the server name at the top. From the dropdown, select App Directory. In the search bar, type Greenbot. When it appears, click on it and then hit Add App. Next, choose the server you want to add the bot to, then click Continue. Make sure all permissions are checked and click Authorize. Complete the verification step to proceed. Once authorized, click Go to Server to return to your Discord. Now join a voice channel. After joining, type Play in the chat, then click on the Play command that appears. Type the name of the song you want to play, then press Enter. Wait a few seconds, and the bot will start playing the music in your voice channel. You can continue to add more songs using the same command, or use other bot commands for controlling playback. So that's basically how you can add a music bot to your Discord server. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.